my very beautiful light fittings, light switches have arrived from Corsten, and so they are gorgeous. I'm about to unbox them and I'm kind of excited. So an exciting little unboxing is about to happen. They look like the boxes, and these are the switches. Such pretty boxing. Let's see what they look like on the inside. Now, they look strange, right? But it's because they are absolutely clear. So, see this? Kind of groovy, right? I'm assuming that the little starry bits pull off. I'm just saying. But it means that I can have these very beautiful switches and I'll have clear, well, wallpaper, but they'll be clear on the walls, so they won't really stand out that much. They're perspex. I thought they were glass, but perspex covers. Anyway, and very cute little switches. Aren't they pretty? They're very cute. And then these things are literally just the little cupping units that go in the wall. So the electrician was desperate for these. So he should be happy now I have them. All right, onwards and upwards. More electrical to finish, a bit more plumbing to do, start smoothing off all the walls, and hopefully next week I'll get a new staircase.